Wow. Oh my god, look at that! We're on the way to the wild, wild west. Alright, let's go. Look, it's coming down.
Woo, we get it! Very good. Put the sauce in there and then fry it.
So you guys see pink buffaloes?
Oh,
Hey everyone, it's Shivan. I'm in the island of gods, Bali. Today, I'm going to take you to the last stop where we're going to spend time with a family in their village home. Before we head out, I need some help putting on a traditional Balinese sarong. So let's call my friends. Hi Mari, hi Siwi. And they gave me these beautiful earrings to match, so let's put them on. Now I'm ready. Let's go. Usually I take public transportation to the last stop, but it's limited to non-existent in Bali. So today, let's do as the locals do and hop on a Gojek. It's a popular ride-sharing service here in Indonesia. Hi, how are you?
Good, fine.
Okay, so we're gonna go to West Bali today.
Okay, yeah.
How long will it take?
Maybe 2 hours.
2 hours?
Yes.
Oh my gosh. All right,
Okay, let's go.
let's go. Let's go on an adventure! Okay. We're setting off to West Bali from Tabanan, often called the rice bowl of the island. It's home to the iconic Tanah Lot temple and close to popular areas like Canggu. Gojek scooters don't go as far as West Bali. This was a special request, but you can always call for a car on the app to take you outside the main hubs. Sometimes in the process of creating, I lose sight of the why. Before setting out, I asked myself, why do last stop adventures light me up? What keeps me going? I'm looking to remind myself of that answer in West Bali, and I'm so excited to bring you along for the journey. All right, so now what we have to do is find a local to ask where to get a cup of coffee because I haven't had any caffeine yet and it's just running on adrenaline. So let's get some coffee. Halo, saya mau bertanya, di mana tempat kopi favoritmu?
Kopi apa?
Kopi.
Kopi.
Kopi. Here.
Ini minum kopi.
Should we have some coffee?
Jakarta.
So this is Balinese kopi. Thank you.
Makasih.
I've got my coffee. Coffee. All right, let's try it.
Enak.
Woo! It's hot. It's really good though. It's sweet and it's like just what I needed. It's good, bagus. We're at a warung, a small, family-owned restaurant where you can pop in for Balinese coffee, street snacks, and a chat with locals. Who better to share this experience with than Karik, a West Bali native who works in tourism.
Okay, Sivan, welcome to my house. This is my house here.
Karik has been kind enough to invite me to his home, where his mother, father, grandmother, and sister all live. His father, Sudana, is a traditional rice farmer. The family is going to prepare coconut lawar for us. The first step is to bring down young coconuts from a tree. Let's follow Sudana. coming down. Kade,
Yes.
we're getting a coconut, so this is for the lawar, right?
Yes, yes. Oh, Pak, bebek, Pak. Whoop.
Thank you.
Woo, we get it. Nana.
Now, now Sudana has to come down too.
Yeah, Sudana too. Watch the roof, yeah?
High five. Thank you.
Ya, sama-sama.
Terima kasih.
Oh, rumah.
Shivan, do you want to try to
Yeah,
cut like my
okay.
father did? Yeah, you
I
must
don't
be
know
careful.
what your father did. 1, 2.
What the?
Is it good?
Little bit more.
enough.
Yeah. Be bit stronger. Bit stronger.
Okay.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
One,
Yeah.
2.
3. Yeah. Put the water. Oh, you did better than my father. We'll cut for you for drink.
Oh, amazing.
Eh, clown.
This is the how we should drink from the coconut. See?
Oh,
This for like the medicine.
Do pas ya. Again.
Ya.
And you
it's amazing. So he just. Okay.
Yeah. Very good.
It's amazing.
You did better than me.
Okay. This is the part that they cut from the coconut for the lawar. I'm just gonna try it. Coconut lawar is a West Bali specialty. Onions, garlic, ginger, lemongrass, turmeric, chilies, salt and pepper, fried together.
Put the sauce in there and just fry it.
Boil and chop the young coconut meat. Squeeze. Cut up some chicken and mix it all together.
We have 8 regency in Bali. Different regency, they have like different kind of lawar. In West Bali, especially, we have a special lawar called lawar klunga.
Lawar?
Klunga.
Klunga.
Klunga means that
Coconut.
coconut, young coconut.
The young coconut.
Yes.
Is it difficult to find lawar made with coconut in other places? Can you find it in other places in Bali?
Now it's become more popular in every.
But the origin
It's come from.
is West Bali.
Yeah, West Bali.
If you want the best lawar with coconut,
Yeah.
you gotta come
To
your,
West Bali.
to your home.
Yes.
To your
of course,
village.
yeah. With Sudana.
With Sudana. Sudana is making the best. So when do you typically make and enjoy lawar?
Yeah. So the special for lawar, normally we don't make them every day. This is really we make them in a special day. Normally, it should be, yeah. Like in Bali, we have big ceremony called Galungan. It's every 6 months, and Galungan Day.
Why is lawar special to you? What does it mean to you?
Yes, because I was born in Bali, and then this is one of my favorite food.
Really?
Yes, this is when we come to the village, and then before I live in Denpasar, right? When I want to come to the village, I call them, please make lawar, like that. So it's kind of a special food, yeah.
So it's a special food when you're coming home. You say,
Yes.
"Mom, please,
Yes.
can you make me lawar?" Making this dish is a family tradition deep-rooted in their surroundings. Sudana, did you have lawar growing up?
Saya dari kecil baru bisa makan, ya sudah ini makan lawar tiap 6 bulan sekali. Ya, hari raya Galungan, hari raya Nyepi, bikin lawar. Ya, ya yang kalau dibilang ada yang mengajari tidak, karena kita tradisi. Ya, tradisi melihat aja gini orang bikin ya seperti tadi ini bikin bumbu, melihat ya bapak mungkin dulu saya belajar dari bapak bikin bumbunya.
We'll try it together.
Yeah, we just take.
Ya,
and-
ambil.
You
Ya,
want with spoon or no?
You want with
How do you
spoon?
do it?
No, we do like
No,
with
let's
hand
do
like
it.
this.
ya.
Like this?
Yes.
Oke.
Okay.
Ya,
Yep.
Yeah.
ya, makan. Ya,
Oke.
ya.
Mmm. It's
Delicious.
so delicious. It almost tastes like spaghetti.
Yeah, really? Bali spaghetti.
Like a pasta, Balinese pasta.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
Ya.
And now how do you say bon appetit?
Selamat makan.
Selamat makan.
Selamat makan.
Ya. Ya, silakan.
Selamat makan.
Selamat makan. What do you usually have for breakfast, lunch, dinner? What's your typical day in terms of meals?
In Bali normally we cook one time
Okay.
in one day. Only cook in the morning. Normally when I was in the village, my mom cooked one time in the morning. We eat them for all day. So we have breakfast, lunch, dinner is same food. Yeah.
So what do you eat?
Rice. We put mix with like meat with chicken or fish because we close from the sea and like egg or something. So we call that is nasi campur, mixed
Nasi
rice.
campur,
Yeah.
all the mix.
When I was grow up before, I helped my father in the rice field, in the farm, and then also my father had 3 water buffalo, and then I helped him to get the grass for the food.
What was it like working next to your dad?
Oh, very good because he teach me a lot how to grow the rice, how to take care of them until harvest. But when I finished graduated school, I went to Denpasar to get a job, and now I'm become work in tourist industry.
90% of Indonesia is Muslim. Bali, home to more than 4 million people, is the only island in the country where the dominant religion is Hinduism. In West Bali, you'll find a significant Muslim population.
As I know here is very good tolerance. For example, when we have ceremony, the Muslim have like Ramadan, they will invite us and they will give us like food or something, cake. And when we have ceremony, either in Hindu, like Galungan Day every 6 months and also Silent Day every 1 year, we also give them. We stay close and our communication is good with them.
Why should people come to West Bali? What makes it special?
Because I grow up here, I know West Bali is more peaceful. We have beach, we have river, we have rice field, we have mountain also. I coming into the village here, coming home, and then I feel like, oh, this is the real Bali. Before tourists coming to Bali, all Bali is like here, like in West Bali.
Many people are searching for a new Bali, a place unspoiled by tourism. But all this time, the old Bali has just been out west. If you come to this part of the island, attend a buffalo chariot race, surf in Medewi, home to Bali's longest left-hand wave, visit Rambut Siwi, a lesser-known coastal temple, and experience the wilderness at West Bali National Park. Going to the river! And we're gonna walk with pink buffaloes on the beach. Have you guys seen pink buffaloes? Why did you choose to become a rice farmer?
Memang saya senang dan sebagai petani kerja tidak ada yang menyuruh. Kalau kita sehat selalu kerja untuk ya. Tapi kalau petani kalau sudah pelihara kerbau ini hasilnya. Kerbau kita petani untuk makan ya. Dapat hasil di petani. Kalau kerbaunya dia membantu punya anak, anaknya kita bisa jual untuk beli bikin rumah, untuk beli sepeda anak-anak itu.
Sudana can command the buffaloes with his voice. He taught me how to make some buffalo sounds. Wow! Oh my God, they're talking! He's still talking. This one loves to talk. Dusk falls. I know why I go on these adventures, for cultural understanding and connection. Also to have fun. This right here on a secluded beach after a full day of traveling to a place less visited, meeting hospitable locals, learning about culinary traditions are what inspire and motivate me.